What is due process and how does it protect you? Imagine facing a situation where the government wants to take away your property or even put you on trial. Would you know what rights you have? That's where due process comes in. It's a key part of the U.S. Constitution that helps make sure everyone is treated fairly by the law. Due process is written into the 5th and 14th Amendments. The 5th Amendment applies to the federal government, while the 14th Amendment makes sure states follow the same rules. Both say that no one can be deprived of life, liberty, or property without going through proper legal steps. There are two main types of due process. The first is procedural due process. This is about the steps the government must follow before taking away your rights or property. It means you have to be told what the government is doing against you. You also have the right to explain your side and have a fair hearing. An impartial person must decide your case. For example, if a school wants to expel a student, they must tell the student why and give them a chance to respond before making a final decision. The second type is substantive due process. This is about what laws or government actions are fair and just. It protects rights that are not listed directly in the Constitution but are still very important. Think about the right to marry or privacy. Substantive due process limits the government from passing laws that unfairly restrict these basic rights. Due process applies in both criminal and civil cases. It makes sure courts and government agencies follow fair procedures. It has roots in old legal traditions like the Magna Carta, which aimed to prevent rulers from acting unfairly or arbitrarily. In everyday life, due process means the government can't arrest or punish you without a good reason. They can't take your property without following the right steps. And they can't deny you important rights without proper legal procedures. Knowing about due process helps you understand your rights when dealing with courts or government officials. It's a safeguard that keeps the legal system fair and prevents unfair treatment. This principle is a core part of the rule of law in the United States, making sure everyone gets a fair shake under the law.